Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to today mathematics question and answer for this upcoming WAEC examination. So this is the question I had for you today, and if it's your first time watching my video or visiting my channel, do it to subscribe, like and click the button in case we have a new video like this. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let's go how you can solve for this question, and this is question A for this today class. So question B will be done, the video will be done very soon. Okay, let's look how you can solve this question or likely question to this question now. Okay, this question states that we have the graph of y is equal to 2bs squared minus b squared s minus 14 passes through the points 3, 10. 3, 10, find the value of what? Of p. We want to find the value of this p from this equation. And here we have our equation like this. So we have y is equal to 2p s squared minus p squared minus p squared s minus 14. So this is the graph, a graph of this equation. So that's when I pass through what? The points 3 and what? And 10. I think you still remember because the gradients very well. I think you still remember gradients very well. So you know that this one, we have the point 3 and the point 10. So the first point here is s and the second point here is y. So which means that anywhere you see s, replaced by what? 3. Where our s is equal to 3 and y is equal to what? 10. So y is equal to what? 10. So now from this equation we have here, we place substitute this data into this one equation now. So when you input this data into this equation we have here, we have y here. So this y, instead of writing y, replaced by what? 10. We have our equal to 2p, we have our s here. We put this into bracket because this one have what? S squared. So our s is 3, we have a 3, we put what? Raised to power 2 minus, we have our p multiplied by p squared. We have our this our s here, our s is equal to 3. We have 3 here minus what? 14. So in this place now, let's open this bracket first. That's a 3 raised to power 2. That's why 3 times 3. 3 times 3 gives what? 9. So here we have 10 is equal to 2p multiplied by 9 minus what? P squared multiplied by what? 3 minus 14. So in this place now, what we just did here now, let's use this 2 to multiply by this 9. 2 times 9, we have 18. Here we have what? 10 is equal to, we have 18p. Here we have 3 times this to give us minus what? 3p squared minus 14. So in this place now, if you look at this equation now, here we have for 10 here, we have 14 here, we have 80p here, we have a 3p or square here. So it means that this one and this one, they are like. So you collect the like time. So when you collect the like time, take this way to this place now. This time becomes 0 here. So here we can write this one as this 8p minus 3p squared minus 14. Take this one to this way, we have a minus 1. We have positive here. Immediately cross this bridge into what? Minus. That's a minus 10. Equal to the serial number here is equal to what? 0. So here we have minus 14 minus 10. Give is minus what? 24. We have 18p minus 3p squared minus what? 24 is equal to 0. So in this place now, this has given us what? Quadratic equation. You can rearrange it. Let's rearrange this one. Let's do the rearrangement of this equation. We have what? Minus 3p squared. Take this one as next p, we have plus what? This one we have plus 18p, we have minus what? 24 is equal to what? 0. So here, because of this minus, you can't just leave it like that. You need to cancel the minus at the front of it now. You have to count this minus and multiply both sides by minus. You multiply all this side by what? Minus to cancel the negative we have here. You have minus times minus, we have plus. You have p, 3p squared. Minus times plus, we have minus, we have 18p. Minus times minus here, we have a plus 24 is equal to what? 0. So if you look at this place, you have 3 here, you have 18 here, we have 24 here. So here is this one, we have this 3 is common to both sides, right? 3 is common to both sides. So it means that you divide both sides by what? Since 3 is common to this side, it's common to this way, it's common to this way here, we divide both sides by 3. So 3 divided by 3, we have it as p squared minus 3 divided by 18, we have it as 6p. 3 divided by 24, we have it at what? As plus what? 8 is equal to 0. 3 goes in this, you cancel this 3. This time 3 divided by 18, we have 6. 3 divided by 24, we have what? Our 8 here. So what we just do next now, if you look at this question now, you have given us a quadratic equation. Because of this question, this is a quadratic equation. You have a 3 method of solving quadratic equation. But in this video, we use factorization method, which states that the coefficient of s squared And in this place we have a p squared. The coefficient of p squared multiplied by the constant, which is what? 8. The coefficient of p squared is 1. That means that 1 multiplied by the constant here, multiplied by the constant, we have 8. 1 times 8 will give us 8. So that is the first thing. And the second thing here, to expand this one, this coefficient of b, what are the two numbers that multiply together? That will give you this 8. And at the same time, when you add it or subtract it, that will give us minus what? 6. So if you read this very well, the two numbers you can multiply together can give you 8, and at the same time give you what? Minus what? 6. It's minus 2 times minus 4. Minus 2 times minus 4 give what? 8. And if you add us minus 2, minus 4, minus 2 minus 4 give what? Minus 2 minus 4 give us minus 6. So the two number is what? It's minus 2 minus what? 4. So when you use to expand this one now, so now from this place now, our question will be p squared. We have minus 2 multiplied by this p minus 4 multiplied by what? This p plus what? 8 is equal to what? 0. So in this place we have a 4 part now. So you split it what? Into 2. Split it what? Into 2. So in this place we have our first bracket, we have p squared minus 2p. Close on the bracket. In this place now we have minus, so you take this minus outside. You close it, you have a minus, so you have a 4p. In this place, note the first sign in the first bracket here now. The first bracket, the sign in this first bracket will be the same sign in the what? And this or this second bracket here. So what we just do now, and this sign here is what? Is plus. So here we change this one to minus. Because minus times this will give us what? This plus here. We have our 8 is equal to 0. So if you open the second bracket, you have minus times this will give us this, minus times this will give us plus. So minus will be what? Will be outside the bracket here. So in this place now, let's just do what is common in this first bracket here. P is common in this first bracket. You have the p outside. P divided by p squared, we have only 1p. Minus p divided by 2p, we have a 2. Close bracket here. You have what is common in this place. 4 is common in this place. You have a minus 4 in the bracket. 4 divided by 4p, we have p. 4 divided by 8, you have a minus what? 2. That is equal to what? 0. So if you look at this first bracket and the second bracket, they have the same word value. So therefore, take one out of it. So our p minus 2, that is the first bracket we have here. And this one, the outer one of this space and the outer one of this space join together. That is into bracket p minus what? 4. So it gives us to be it's called 0 now. So equate this one to be 0, equate this one to be what? 0. So that will be p minus 2 is equal to what? 0, or p minus 4 is equal to what? 0. So now to make this p solid formula now, you take this minus 2 to the other side. This minus is changed to what? To plus when you come to this place. So therefore our p is equal to, we have, take it to this side, we have what? 2. Or our p is equal to, when you take this one to this side, we have what? 4. So because it's minus 4, we come to this side, turn to what? Plus, and it was 4. So our answer for the value of p is what? The value of this p is either it is 2 or what? Or 4. So that is how you solve this question, and likely question to this question. That is how you solve it. I hope you understand. And if you understand, please don't forget to subscribe, like the notification button in case what we have a new video like this. And the second part of this today class will be dropped very soon. Thank you for watching.